Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're venturing onto my channel for the first time today. Happy spooky season! It is finally October, and as of right now it is already halfway through the month, and this is my first time filming, so I'm slacking off a little bit and it makes me a little sad. But I have had a busy month so far. So if you guys want to hear the story of how I got proposed to, as well as what is in GlossyBox for this month, then definitely keep on watching. All right, so before I get into the nitty-gritty of all the good juicy details, I want to go a little bit more serious. So if you guys aren't aware, or if you're from around this area, there was a huge fire in the Viking Apartments in Brockport, and I know someone personally who was affected in that fire. Him and his cousin had lost everything in that fire, and as they were trying to get out all of their neighbors, my friend ended up having too much smoke inhalation, and he got like severely burned over around like 60% of his body. So he's currently in the ICU, and he's intubated, and he's in a medically induced coma. So there is a GoFundMe, already like $17,000 has been raised for the two of them to just try to pay for the hospital bills and, you know, replace all of the stuff that they lost. They lost everything in the fire, and I just can't even imagine. And the fact that they had the bravery to go around and get all their neighbors out and put their lives before their own is just amazing, and they're just genuinely good people. So the link for that GoFundMe will be included down below, so if you guys can afford to donate, you can do that, as well as the firing pin is taking donations for clothing items and stuff, so like that information will also be included down below. All right, so now into the goody of getting engaged. So the first weekend we went up to the Adirondacks because I wanted to start hiking the 46 peaks in the Adirondacks. And we started off with Cascade and Porter, which are like the two easiest ones, but I mean, none of the 46 high peaks were actually that easy. And we did that on Saturday the 3rd. And on top of Cascade, my fiance decided to be, as he put it, the cliche boyfriend. And he didn't even have the ring ready, so he's like digging around in his bag, and I'm already like sitting there all like and so yeah, he got out, which was like so cute, you know, like we've been here, we've done all this together, now we're like on top of this mountain, and he got down on one knee and proposed. And no one around us even like knew it was happening. There were so many people up on the summit, and like not a single person even knew what was going on, because by the time he like got down on one knee, we were kind of concealed behind a rock, so no one knew it was happening, which I'm kind of thankful for, because like I don't really want to be proposed to like in front of a huge crowd where everyone's like, oh my god, and they're all like freaking out. Not my cup of tea. The one sad thing kind of is that we didn't get any pictures or videos of the actual proposal. He was gonna ask like this random couple to take a video of us, but then he kind of like chickened out. So I mean, that's that. But like after like we put it on and I admired the ring, I was like, all right, put it back into the box because I don't want it to get damaged or ruined or lost. But we did take a couple of pictures, so those will be up here. And yeah, like he didn't even know if he was gonna go through with it or not. He originally had a plan to propose to me during a Halloween party that we were having with a couple of friends, and instead he decided to do it on top of the mountain, which I personally think was way better, especially because I don't know if I want to be proposed to while in a Halloween costume. I mean, like depending on what the costume is, maybe, but I don't know. All right, so then the other peaks that we did on that Sunday after he proposed, we went and did Giant, which we thought was gonna be a quick 6-mile hike. And Giant is very misleading. There are a lot of false summits, and it's kind of disheartening when you realize that like you think you're getting close and you're only halfway up the mountain, and then like you get up another hill and then you're like, oh, the peak's all the way up there. So that ended up being a lot more than we thought it was going to be, and especially after doing it the day after, doing 2 peaks, it was a lot for the two of us. You know, we kind of just went right out the gate and just started hiking the high peaks without really doing any kind of beginner's hike to hiking in the mountains. Like we've done mostly level flat hikes. Like the last hike we did was Chimney Bluffs, which isn't a hike like at all. We've done like Watkins Glen, like Stony Brook, Letchworth, but nothing like the Adirondacks. But I'm so proud that we accomplished that and that we pushed through, and we were definitely feeling it. But we ended up doing it again and torturing ourselves for a second weekend in a row. And we went up this past weekend and we did tabletop and Phelps, which are also kind of like the two easier ones. But I mean, it was still 13.3 miles clocked on my Garmin, and it took 11.5 hours. So that was like a full day thing. So yeah, like I really enjoy just spending the outdoors with my fiance, and I feel like it was just like a little bit more of a spark in our connection, and I just really appreciate it. So now we probably won't hike any more of the peaks until August or like summertime, because like I don't have weekends off and it's gonna be winter and I'm not about to hike the mountains in the winter. All right, I think I have rambled on long enough, so now I'm finally gonna get into the glossy box for this month. So technically this is the third box because I bought prepaid 3 months for like $39 when it was their birthday month in August. So this is the last one that I am subscribed to. I think the price goes up to like $58 total if you want to do for like prepaid for 3 months. But there's like a bunch of different coupons and different ways to pay per month or 3 months or 6 or a year or whatever. But I did buy the advent calendar, so that will be coming, but I won't be opening it until probably December 1st. I'm not going to open it like a day at a time like you're supposed to for advent calendars. I'm probably just going to open all 25 on the 1st. All right, so GlossyBox always has such cute boxes. The past 2 months have been pink ones. August was like a bright pink with a bow on it, and then last month's was like a brighter or like a baby pink. And this one for like spooky month, it is like a storybook, if I can get it out. I also sadly like took off my nails, so they were trash, and I put just regular nail polish on them to hide the fact that they were so damaged. But let's get this out. Here, go play with the box. Yes, you know you want the box. Go play with it. All right, so this is called Midnight Fantasy, the Beauty Tales, and it kind of looks like a storybook. So I'm probably just going to put this on display because it looks kind of like, you know, witch's book or something. So it looks very cute, and I really like that all of their boxes are reusable. Like I'm totally going to use them for storage or decoration, and they're just all really cute. All right, so let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, so there's a little pamphlet, and it looks like you could get either Midnight Fantasy or Enchanted Spirit. All right, and everything inside is neatly packaged. We have a cute little blue bow and some gold wrappers. All right, so let's crack into this. The first thing is from Ciate Lending, and this is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I think this is just the regular one. Yeah, because I got the coconut one, and I'm not a fan of coconut, so I gave it away, but I might hold on to this one. This one is talc-free, oil-absorbing, has bamboo extract, and moisturizing hyaluronic acid. So this looks like a smaller version of the one that I'm familiar with, so let's see. Yes, so this one is the Deluxe Mini. This is worth $18.98, but the full size is $22, so it's not that much less. I mean, it's like half the size in grams, but it's only like a few dollars cheaper, but cool. I haven't really tried anything from Ciate Lending. Like I have a couple of their products, but I haven't tried any of them yet, so I think I should give them a try. All right, the next thing in here that I see, I think I already have, and this is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This one is a Deluxe Mini as well. So this is 50 milliliters, and it is worth $14.44. The full size is 75, and it's worth $21.50. So yes, I definitely know I have this, and I've tried it, and I really like it. So since I already have it, I'm just going to put this one into my giveaway. All right, the next thing in here is this studded little lipstick. This is from KVD Vegan Beauty. This is the Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick in Lovecraft. So I was kind of guessing this was KVD just by the packaging. Oh, and it says KVD on the top, but... All right, so that's what the color looks like. We'll do a quick little swatch. It looks really pretty. It smells good. It smells like vanilla, and it's a nice, like, it's kind of like a cute berry mauve color, but not like super pigmented, and it's super creamy and it smells good. So, all right, so this was being the deluxe mini. It's 1.2 grams worth $14. The full size is 3.4 grams worth $20. And again, I haven't really tried much from this brand since the rebranding. I didn't get anything when Kat Von D was still in charge. But I do have the brow pomade by them, and it's like my favorite pomade ever, even better than Anastasia, just according to me. So I'm excited to give this a try. All right, next thing is Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampoule. It's got sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp. So it's plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman-owned. That's what the packaging looks like. All right, and this is a full-size product. It is $32, and I think you get 1 fluid ounce in here, probably. Yeah, that's usually the standard. So this is supposed to energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminance. Say hello, say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. All right, and that's what the packaging looks like. Cute little dropper bottle. I have way too many serums though, so I don't think I'm gonna hold on to this one. Even though I have a lot of redness and irritation sometimes, like I just have way too many serums to go through, so I think this will be going into my giveaway as well. All right, and the last thing in here looks like it's a face mask. It's by Ona, New York, Spotlight Radiance Glow Gel Mask. So this is obviously another full-size product, and it is worth $9. So this has plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia. That's interesting. It's a refining hydrogel mask, and it'll even out complexion, rid of impurities, restore a youthful glow, and its comfortable fit and non-slip quality makes it perfect for anyone on the move. I don't know about that comfortable fit, because half the time, like, these face masks are way too big and they aren't comfortable. All right, so I definitely think I'm gonna hold on to this one. I love a good face mask, and I think about taking a nice bubble bath tonight. I'm looking a little rough, my nails aren't done, my hair's frizzy, my face is ooh. But it's my Friday, and I think I'm gonna pamper myself tonight, so I probably will give this a try tonight. All right, guys, that is everything for this box. Still not as favorite as the August box, but at least we did get 2 makeup items. I think last month we didn't get any makeup items at all, which was really disappointing. But again, this is my last box. I will be getting the advent calendar though, and that will be coming out in December, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that is everything for today's video. Just a reminder that if you guys can, the link for the GoFundMe will be down below, and any small donation you can do will help out 2 amazing guys who lost everything in a fire and to help recover from injuries sustained in the fire. And if you guys are interested in my wedding planning and all the information and all the good, fun, girly stuff that goes along with it, then definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. I will be posting updates throughout. Nothing for sure soon because we just got engaged. So don't ask me when the wedding is or what my dress is or anything like that, because I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys, and if you subscribe to my channel, I welcome you in my Feline family. Bye. Wow, I'm doing pretty well at singing my outro.